What is up, people on the interwebs? I hope you're having an amazing day, and today I'm going to show you how to create these Ravenclaw nails. They actually turned out a lot better than I thought, as my original plan for these nails was going to use a very high pigmented silver, but I didn't really have a kind of strong silver in my nail polish collection. The only closest kind of strong pigmented silver I had was a holographic silver, and using holographic silver definitely made this design look 10 times cooler. I kind of feel like Simply Nail Logical would probably love these nails, and I think she would like them even more because I kind of think that Simply Nail Logical would probably be a Ravenclaw, so these would kind of be like the perfect nails for her if she's very much into that Harry Potter fandom. But before we begin, I just like to apologise if you can hear any panting in the video, as my dog is in the room whilst I'm recording the audio for this video. Here's a nice little clip of him. Isn't he sweet? But anyway guys, to create this design you're going to need the following nail polishes and tools. So for starters, you are going to need a stamping kit and these nail plates. You're also going to need a base coat, a top coat and a quick dry top coat. You're also going to need a dark blue nail polish, a silver nail polish, or even holographic silver nail polish if you have it. And you're also going to need some nail tape, some scissors, and possibly you may want some liquid latex and some tweezers. But anyway guys, let's jump into this nail design. So for starters, you're going to need to apply a base coat to all of your nails. Once you have applied the base coat, you're then going to apply 2 coats of your dark blue nail polish onto all your fingers. Once you have applied the dark blue nail polish, you're just going to apply a quick layer of a quick dry top coat. Once you have done that, you're going to cut 4 strips from the nail tape. Once you have cut 4 strips from the nail tape, you're going to apply the 4 strips diagonally onto all of your nails apart from your ring finger. How you're going to place them onto your nails is you're going to put 2 strips really close to one another at the top of your nail diagonally. On your third piece of nail tape, you're going to leave a massive gap, and then at the bottom of your nail, you're going to apply the last 2 very thinly together diagonally. So you kind of create 3 lines overall. You're going to have 1 big line in the center and 2 small lines on the top and bottom of your bigger line. Once you've got the nail tape in place, you're just going to apply the silver holographic nail polish over the tape. You're going to want to apply it all over the tape, just apart from the kind of top and bottom part of the nail you have left open. And once you have applied the silver nail polish, you are going to pull off the tape. Make sure when you pull off the tape that the nail polish is still wet, since if you do it while it's still wet, you're going to get very perfectly straight lines like in the video. If you take off when it is dry, you might peel off other parts of the design and you won't get those kind of 2 bold blue lines in the center of the silver nail polish like the video has shown. You're just going to remove any nail polish that has got onto the side of your skin, and you're just going to apply a top coat on top of the design. And there you guys have it. That's how to do the kind of main part of this design, as the kind of blue and silver diagonally kind of shows the house colours as it shows on the scarves in the films. And finally onto your ring finger, where we're going to create the icon of the Ravenclaw household and get a raven in the centre. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. What you're going to need, you're going to have to get your stamper kit out and these 2 stamper plates. You are going to apply silver nail polish onto the design that has an owl in. At first you guys may be thinking, that's not a raven, that's an owl. But don't worry, just keep following the video and you'll see what I'm doing. So the reason why I've stamped the owl is because I want to steal the background the owl is into with the kind of leafy ornaments around the owl. So what we're going to do on the stamper, we're going to remove the owl and just keep the background the owl is into. And once we remove the owl, we're going to stamp the background on the outer part of our nails to create a nice border for when we're going to stick our raven onto our ring finger. And as you can see, it's got a perfect kind of leafy background that fits the Harry Potter theme very much. Once you've done that, we're going on to our next plate that has a raven on. Going to apply nail polish, scrape the polish through, and then use our stamper to transfer the raven from the plate onto our stamper. Once you've got the raven onto the stamper, remove any excess of the stamper, and then in the center of our leafy border, we are going to place our raven into the center. Once you have your raven into the center, and remove any liquid latex if you applied any, you're just going to apply a top coat, and there you guys have it. You should have some amazing holographic Ravenclaw nails. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. If you have any other suggestions you want to see for kind of nerdy nail art to be created, leave a comment below and eventually I will get around to doing it. Anyway guys, keep being amazing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.